Hi, this is the video explainer for absolute beginners in tech, brought to you by AfroEd Tech. You can call me Mimi Digital, and we aim the series at people from the African diaspora who may speak Pidgin, Patois, or Creole. So welcome to part 2 of our series of 5 videos, and we're going to explain the front end. By the end of this video, you should choose your next steps and know what you want to do next for your digital future and get more familiar with the front end. Let's now take a closer look at the front end. So what we have here is when we spoke about the front end and the back end before, we talked about it in the context of the front end and back end both working together with the operating system. So now we're going to focus on what happens, what makes up the front end. So anything that you interact directly with, any actions or transactions that you are actually working directly with whether it's the software apps or the hardware machinery, then when those are working together, that is you interacting with the front end as an end user, carrying out different actions, as you can see. So these are so many examples of what you can do with the front end as an end user. So all these things, they take place, or you see them take place on the front end, but of course there's something happening at the back end regarding this. So what are 1 or 2 things that you've learned that you didn't know before? Make a note of them, and if you want to know more, click the video. Ask yourself what next you want to do. What options do you want to explore? Press pause and maybe share the video with someone. Stay online, explore, pause, just do something. It's your digital future. And to help you on your digital future as well, visit our website or email us to give us a feedback, what to improve, what topic you want us to do next. Ask questions, get expert answers, and there's so many other resources there on our website as well. But that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.